Hi guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to another video. This time I have to mount all those things that I had on the Yamaha Tracer 9 to the Bandit. Why I am doing this? Because the Bandit, it's now my primary bike, and I just want to use everything that I already used on the Tracer 9 while riding, when going on road trips, when traveling and so on. And I will mount the mobile phone mount, the GoPro mount, and I have something to put inside the top case, and you will see. Let's go. I will mount firstly the action cam mount. This is gonna be on the handlebar, and I hope that I will have enough space for mounting both. I mean both, because I have also the mobile phone mount. Both are from AliExpress, so Chinese mounts, but very good for my purposes and for my use. I will have to use this additional plastic because the handlebar, it's not that large, that big, I would say, in comparison with the Tracer 9. And I have also to put inside the top box the tire repair kit. This is something that I have with me all the time when I'm riding, and I will put it inside. I will firstly have to mount the action cam mount. I will need the 10 key, and I will try to put it here somewhere in the middle and lean it a bit ahead and down because of the steering angle, you know, because it can touch the windshield. Let's try it. I hope that it is not gonna be on the way to reach the key here, but there is not a lot I can do to change the position, because the handlebar of the Bandit, it's not a big one, not a large one, and I hope that it will work. I think that right now it is not on the way to reach the key, and that it's very functional. We'll try a bit later to put the GoPro on. And now the mobile phone mount. I think that it will go on the handlebar very nicely. We'll see right now. Again, I have to put something here in between because the handlebar, it's not that large like it is on the Tracer 9, but I think that this one will work. And I have also the plastic that came with the mount to see if this one will work, because there are different handlebars, as you know. We'll try both. Here I need the Allen key, and if you buy the AliExpress mount, you receive it with the mount. I used that plastic that came with the mount, and I will be very happy if it will work. These mounts are very useful and quite cheap if you buy them from AliExpress. I didn't need this one, the plastic was enough, and I just had to adjust the angle of the mobile phone mount. I will show it right now to you. I adjusted the angle here and here, and you know, now I think that when I will put my mobile phone here, it will be okay, you know, because you have to see the speedo and you know, everything, I mean the dash. And right now I will mount the mount for my phone cover. This is the mount for the mobile phone that goes on the mobile phone cover, and in the package you have 3 mounts for your mobile phones in case you change your mobile phone, and I have changed it, and now I have a new one, and that's why I will right now stick this mount to the cover of my mobile phone and try it on the handlebar. Let's do it. Push the mount on the mobile phone cover for some time, and then you're done. As you can see, it is not covering the dash, and that's almost perfect. It can be also the other way around, but I like it more this way. And now the action cam. Almost perfect. Have to try the steering. Yeah, no, it is not on the way. Very, very good. I am satisfied, and I can still move a bit the position. This was all, guys. This was the mounting video of the handlebar mounts for the mobile phone and action cam. I am satisfied with this configuration right now. I will be using this configuration this season, and I hope that it will serve me well. Thanks for watching, guys. Please do me a favor and subscribe, and till the next one.